did not speak English. I could not speak English ever. So sir, actually he came to sir and he complained about me that I am not speaking in English. I am not talking English with anyone. So he wants to record me and send it to my father. Actually, sir is my grandfather also, and my father is also the previous student, ex-student of sir. So we have a familiar relation. So I am Vidhi, and by profession I am a teacher. I am not so much senior. I am the मतलब मेरा जो बैच था वो जस्ट पहले वाला ही बैच था. वी गॉट ओवर अवर बैच इन February. So if you want to speak English, that is my perspective, you have to speak only, either right or wrong, that doesn't matter. You just have to speak. आपको सिर्फ बोलना है और कुछ नहीं करना. Don't talk about English, just talk in English. There is some quote also, don't talk about English, just talk in English. सबके पास एक ना कोई ना होता है कि जिसमें हम कंपनी देख सकते. some are having their friends, some are having their parents. Just like my family is English supporting family. My father is also the student of sir. My brother is also pursuing engineering, so he is also having the good communication skills. My mother is also a teacher, so we are English supporting family. I am from English supporting family, and in the recent days we have to speak in English only where we go. You seems familiar to me. Where do you study?
Actually, I live in Chilwad. I'm not from here.
Okay, so how can you come? You commute to here?
Actually, I came for something else.
Okay.
I studying BFA.
Okay. So you are here for study only.
Yes.
Actually, I got the things, but I am having this image as like my student. मुझे थोड़ा याद आ रहा है कि मेरी student. I am 24 only.
आप क्या पढ़ा?
I teach English. After sir teach me, before that I used to teach EVS and science to the small kids, but after the lessons of sir, I am teaching English to 9 to 12 students. This is my we are giving introduction as we come in the class, and one by one everybody make sure it should be perfect. It includes everything. It gives an advantage in your interview. Let me tell you a story. Once happened nowadays. I went to the school for an interview. So the principal said, give your introduction. I started telling everything. My name, my father's name, my family background. Even I told her my zodiac sign also. You know zodiac sign?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is what the advantages of speaking. English comes out from your mouth randomly. We don't have to think about it. English just comes out. Just like it happened na, you are listening something or you are writing something and sir gave this sentence and this has happened. This happens with everyone. How many times have you done in these classes? 1 month. So has anybody come to give a speech?
Yes.
Or no, from the senior batch.
No.
Yes.
I'm the first one, na?
Yes. For speech.
I'm giving first speech, or is anybody else come? Senior, from the senior batch. आई थी ना? Ayushi Didi. Actually, Ayushi Didi is the most senior. We are little senior. Ayushi Didi is the most senior. So she came in every batch. I also come in every batch after leaving the class, and in the class also I used to. So don't be afraid of speaking in front of here. My way of learning or my way of speaking is that I talk to myself. If I don't have anybody, while I am driving, I talk to myself just like I want to go washroom, I want to drink water. Firstly, don't use drink or eat, as sir told. I fancy for tea. Matlab, try to use new vocabularies, try to use new words, try to use these interactive and idioms sir gives. Actually, we are having thousands of interactive and idioms nowadays in our class. So try to use them. In this way, you can use. You can speak good. You can speak well. Is anybody having any question to ask? Anyone? You also have to ask. So
जैसा आपने कहा कि मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया था, मतलब कितना
my batch is of 8 months. I have joined in April April no, 1st of May. Then it went for the December. 1st of I think we have given 8-9 months. 8-9 months deliberately.
क्या आपको पहले से थोड़ी
Actually, I am from English medium, so I don't have any problem to got the things. I can get the things easily, so I don't have any problem. I just have to improve myself. That's why I came here. That's why I came here. And firstly, actually, I want to learn from British classes, from the Lobo ma'am, but my father said no. If you want to learn, if you want to go the spoken English classes, you have to go to the sir only.
two people suggested me both.
Many, if you are talking about his classes now, so anybody is related from the education. It's a student of sir. Where I am teaching in the Green Valley School. We are the staff of 70 teachers. And the 5, 7, 10 is the student of sir. That is the speciality. है ना? What do you want to ask? Nothing. You know everything. You don't have any doubt. In which class you are?
10th का पेपर दिया अभी 11th में है.
He's a brother of Ayushi.
Oh, you are the brother of Ayushi. So I'm talking about the other Ayushi, I think. Actually, she is married. Your sister is married?
No.
No, I am
She's
talking about.
completed 4 months.
Okay. Ayushi.
तो भी
Her sister, his
Okay,
sister.
okay. She is from morning batch. Okay. Actually, I'm talking about the other Ayushi. She is the most senior. So, you don't want to ask anything? Nothing. You know everything. Oh, your sister tells you everything, na? But you can ask me whatever you can't ask her. जिससे नहीं पूछ सकते हो मेरे से पूछ सकते हो. I will answer all your questions related to the class, related to the academic, everything. बताओ. Do you want to ask anything?
आप डेली आते हैं.
I used to come daily. Sometimes I go to the bunk also. Sometimes. Bunk that means I could not came. That doesn't mean कि मैं घर से निकलती थी और मैं नहीं आती थी. Sometimes actually I'm a teacher now, so I am having my classes also in the evening. You know Omniscient Academy? Omniscient Academy, Vrindavan Lane. That is my brother's academy, so I have to go there also. In the starting, the first 6 months, I used to come daily. I never missed the class. This is the advantage. Actually, in our batch, nobody misses the class. We are having the small kids also. So they interrupt like this, Didi, you are wrong, sorry. So we have a bad habit, we have a good habit, we can say, of getting insulted by kids. They insult me, Didi, sorry, you are wrong. बेटा बताओ कुछ पूछना है? Vipin, you don't want to ask anything?
You know it?
Actually, I came yesterday also, but I was late. When I came here, you all went. He is here only, so I attended the next class. Vipin, say. बताया ना बोलने से. I have given you the advice also. We all are having phone, we all are having WhatsApp. So use Meta AI. Don't use Google Translate. It's just Meta AI. If you want to say something, just type it and send. Just type it and send. When you understand the chapters, so you know, I was wrong at that time. This happens, na? Use Meta AI. You try to listen English songs. Try to just like ना बहुत basic चीज़ होती है. We all know Ramayan. Basic storyline of Ramayan we all know. So in the Google type English translated Ramayan and listen it. This helps to rectify. This helps to recognize which is going on. Hanuman ji came to Sri Lanka. This is the trick of I have used to speak more. Just like when our class was over na, so I went to the home. Actually I live in Krishna city, so there is 7 to 8 minutes distance from here. So I try to find what I said wrong in my class, and I rectify the sentences and say it again and again and again in the, so I got remember in the next class, which is very, and I used to say, see that this is my childhood habit, the posters, then advertisement everywhere, I stand out and I read it. I know all the posters from here to my home. I know all the shops. I know all the posters. कहाँ पे क्या लगा हुआ है, कहाँ पे बोला है विज्ञापन लगाना माना है, तो मुझे वो भी पता है कि वो उस दुकान के पास लगा है. ये आदत है मेरी. So you also have to and try to translate it, not with the Google Translator, by yourself. Just like can chapter हो गया है, can chapter is going on और हो गया है, हो गया है. So you all know the can sentences category. कैटेगरी तो सारी पता होंगी ना.
थर्ड कैटेगरी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस.
नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, ओके. हाँ तो ठीक है ना, अफर्मेटिव, इन्वर्टेड और नेगेटिव बहुत है. इतने में ही सेंटेंसेस बनाओ, इतने में ही सेंटेंसेस बोलो, बातें करो लोगों से, तो वो सुधर जाएगी इंग्लिश. बोलना ही तो है. यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पीक ओनली. सो वी कैन स्पीक इन एनी टॉपिक एंड ट्राई टू गिव स्पीच. प्रेजेंट सिंपल हो गया. First chapter is can, could, should, okay. Your next chapter will be could, which is the past tense of can. So after the present simple tense, you are able to speak English in the present simple form, which sir gave speech. And the topic should be my daily routine. I am telling you before. You have to prepare just like हम लोगों ने तो बहुत लंबी मेरी speech तो 8 minutes की थी. I stand here and speaking from the 8 minutes continuously. ठीक है, तो you just have to prepare for your class.
सबसे लंबी थी कि आपसे भी ज़्यादा थी?
नहीं, actually we are 7, 8, 9 students in our batch. So 2 are in school. One is a teacher as well, and one is a homemaker, and 3 are the little kids. So 2 of them are left the classes in the middle because her mother is expired. So we are 6 or 8, 6 or 7 something. Somebody came, they gone, came, gone. So this happened, but constant we are 5. Constantly we are 5 who completed the batch. But at last our advanced batches also could not happen because of some reasons. So it will do. We will start it again. Our time is 4 to 5:30, so we have a very good time of evening. So we got the time of after the class also. So we stand over there and chit chat about the gupshup. We chit chat about the next class or the previous class what I have studied. What actually the kid said, दीदी आपने ये गलत बोला था, इसको ऐसे नहीं बोलना. इसको सब वो बाहर खड़े होकर बोलते थे कि इसको इस तरीके से बोलो. तो we have the very good habit of getting interacted by the children also. Anything else? No? Sir said you have to, everybody have to ask anything, so you have to ask. I don't have any question. She asked only, he asked only. Anybody? You? What's your name?
Anshuya.
What are you pursuing? Are you in school or college?
College.
What are you pursuing right now? क्या पढ़ मतलब कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो आप? LLB. Okay. So you have to speak. तुम्हारा तो काम ही है बोलना.
कुछ नहीं बोलता.
सेंटेंस नहीं बन पाते हैं. जो प्रोसीजर होता है. What sir gave? Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is this process. You don't know this process, so it happens. It's not tough. It's not easy. You just have to be constant. 1-2 बार सुनोगे तो आ जाएगा. और फिर अपने आप रेक्टिफाई भी. अभी एक ही चैप्टर हुआ है ना, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम.
आपने बोला कि वोकैबुलरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, क्या आप अलग से वोकैबुलरी करते थे या सर
Never.
वगैरह देते थे?
Sir gives noun, adjective every day. This happens. Just read it out. Whenever you are making sentences, देखो क्या होता है कि जब सर हमको कोई चैप्टर देगा, ठीक है, just like he gave the negative category of can chapter, ठीक है. So he always says to change the subject and change the object, ठीक है. So just have a glance on the verb and have a glance on the nouns. He has given nouns. Just have a glance. उसमें से आपको मिल जाएगा कि कौन सा नाउन जो है वो सूटेबल है. यहाँ पे सर ने बोला होगा कि राम श्याम सीता मोहन नहीं रखना है.
Can you tell me what
प्रतीक.
is glance?
हैव अ ग्लांस. हैव अ ग्लांस मतलब नज़र डालना.
Glance.
हैव अ ग्लांस. हैव अ ग्लांस. पता ना? इट इज़ अ वर्ड. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब होता है नज़र डालना. तो थोड़ा सा उसमें नज़र डाल लिया मैंने. सो इन दैट वे वी गेट टू नो अबाउट द नाउन. समटाइम्स हमारे दिमाग में नहीं आ पाता है. समटाइम्स जैसे कल वो अमीर वाला सेंटेंस था.
उसके पता.
आई नो एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, तो उसमें हम थोड़ा सा कर सकते हैं. सर ही सेड हु कांट टेक साउंड स्लीप. तो वी कैन ऐड प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी कांट टेक साउंड स्लीप. कहाँ ले सकते? तो दिस इज द क्रिएटिविटी वी ऑल कैन डू. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वे यू कैन डू क्रिएटिविटी. एनीथिंग एल्स? विपिन, you have not asked anything me from 2 days. Today I want you to hear. Say. Say. Anything else, beta? Anything else? In which class you are? 12th class, na? What is your subject? Stream?
Science.
Science. PCM, that is. Good. And what's your?
Nine.
You are in a ninth. Which school?
Nachiketa Science.
Nachiketa, Vijayanagar. Okay. So, what do you want to take the subject in next class? In which stream you want to go? नहीं सोचा है. क्यों नहीं सोचा है? कब सोचोगे? 10th के एग्जाम्स के बाद.
ठीक है, अप्लाई का कल देखेंगे.
This is very, very bad. You have to think now. So, in that way you can give next. No, just like you have to prepare for JEE, you have to prepare for NEET. You can prepare from the 9th class, from the standard 9th also. What are you doing? In which class you are? 11th, man. In which stream? Math science. Confidence. What do you want to be? You want to be a teacher? Oh, sorry, you want to be an engineer? Software engineer. AI, CS, ये सब ना? Good. You are not saying anything. Why? Are you getting bored? Am I boring you? So, why are you not asking anything? Why are you not telling anything? They all are saying something. Say. बताओ. You have read the poster sir sticks on the wall in the classroom. You all have a glance. You have seen sir stick the poster on that wall. जिसमें possessive adjectives और वो सब use हुए हैं. What is possessive adjective? Have you tried to read it? Have you tried to find it out? What is this? Actually, देखो, English is a very basic subject. We have studied in the previous classes from the childhood. So थोड़ा तो कैच करना है अपने को. क्या है कि जैसे को यही लगा है possessive adjective. Possessive adjective यही लगा हुआ है. Reflexive pronoun, possessive adjective. There are so many things to learn. You just have started now. So be constant, be presentable, be present also. हमेशा प्रेजेंट रहना है क्लास में. कब कौन सी चीज़ मिस हो जाए वो कभी नहीं मिलती है दोबारा. This happens with me when passive voice is about to start. It's not starting from the 3 days. I am coming, but when I was absent, that day passive voice is starting. So I am having the problem in the passive voice now only. Today only I am having a problem in passive voice. So don't be absent in every classes. If you have to be, if you there is an obligation, there is an provision, so you have to inform to sir. Group है उसमें message कर दो. Anything else? And you can do one thing also. There is a group of your student and the sir also. Make a group of yourself only. We are having the group now, and we are talking in the group also. Just like what we want to do. We actually you just came here and give the speeches. We come and play a games also. Play games, just some chapters going on. It happened in the last classes. last of the days when all the chapters are completed. So we take the one chapter and play around in it. Just like she says some sentence, I say some sentences connected to him, then he says the sentences connected to me. So the scenario will create. Just like I'm going to the market. He said, then I bought the vegetables, then I went to the fruit market, then I bought the fruits. So the scenario will. So this is the very good chances to make the scenarios also. Scenario मतलब छवि प्रति छवि हाँ इमेज नहीं होगा इमेज इज डिफरेंट सिनेरियो तो हमारे मन में होता है जो ना सीन सिनेरियो चल रहा है कुछ इमेजिनेशन एनीथिंग एल्स टाइम हो गया क्या डू यू वांट टू गो इन विच कॉलेज यू आर Shriram it's nearby so it's your hometown or you are living in the PG or hostel it's your home na and you are not saying anything I want you to hear please say something anything ask say whatever you want
आती नहीं तो सर क्या करते हैं?
first of all I got late by sometimes मैं लेट हो जाती थी और फिर जब मैं नहीं आती थी ना तो सर यूज टू टेक फाइन ऑफ ₹5 वी हैव गिवन सो मैनी फाइन मोस्टली इन माई बैच आई हैव गिवन मेनी फाइन्स समटाइम्स आई डोंट हैव चेंज सो आई हैव बोरोड फ्रॉम हिम टू हिम तो बट यू हैव टू गिव द फाइन एंड सर हैज एनीबडी गॉट दंड 3 का दंड 5 का दंड
20 का दंड
चल रहा है
बनाने के लिए
3 का दंड when you have not said sorry 5 का दंड for sleeping and 20 का दंड for helping so you don't have to help anybody you just he should rectify them himself you just have to say sorry and you have to say sorry बड़ा मजा आता है sorry बोलने में
उसके बाद 2 बार 20 का डन है
हाँ तो दो बहुत अच्छा है it's very good with the help of dand I remembered so many of idioms I used to say
not necessarily just copy paste
huh so I don't used to say interactive sentences they are very small na I used to say the big interactive
ये
sentences
just
big
copy and paste
from where I got
तुमने एक बार 20 का दे चुकी फिर उसी कॉपी पेस्ट का भी दोबारा दे
जैसे कि अभी सेकंड टाइम हो दिया कि मैंने
are you giving in the mobile you have to give here only
मैंने
you
ऐसे
have to
दिया था
speak नहीं it happens when 3 का दंड and 5 का दंड it's okay but when you have to go 20 का दंड ना you have sir said for mobile but when you come here na and sir came generally sir comes at 5 to 10 minutes 15 minutes later after your speech you have to ring the bell then sir come na this happens so give the dand also 5 5 5 5
they are not interested at all
you have to be interested in which they are not interested in the speech actually this
करने के
happens
लिए रेडी नहीं रहते हैं
this happens you are the only girl and you are only creative these are boys they are not creative
what
you are not creative
No.
I am saying you are creative
when I am and then you come then you see start इसलिए
I am talking about the creativity you have to do creativity you don't do creativity
यार
which kind of creativity you do which kind of creativity you do
different subject
and try to add a new line in your introduction or a speech introduction someday you add hobbies there is one boy in our class Shreyas he is in class 6 his English is very basic level so he does not clear so he used to say my mother is this way but when he suddenly he left the classes because of her mother that time his English is very well his English is very good so try to do creativity I learned from him that he adds new line daily that where his visit where he wants to visit the place his dream place his dream car what he see in his सपने what is the सपने में क्या देखा वो सब वो हमको स्पीच में आके बताता था एंड वी हैव टू लिसन, वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, समटाइम वी गेट बोर आल्सो बट वी हैव टू लिसन. एनीथिंग एल्स? देखो आई एम सेइंग दैट इफ यू आर हेयर, सो आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है कि यू कम हियर एंड सिट हियर लाइक आई एम सिटिंग हियर. वंस आई वाज अ बिगिनर, so I used to see the seniors there, they are speaking so fluently, they are having so good, they have must practiced for years. But now I am realizing that there are no the practice about year. This is up to you only. And see, I am here. You just have to be here. Okay? Anything else, Vipin? When are you going? कब जा रहे हो? 24. That means day after tomorrow. So, where your hometown only?
Yes.
Okay. And what about college? Which college? Shri Ram. Which stream? PCM, na? हाँ, you can go to Shri Ram. Physics, chemistry, math science है ना तुम्हारा?
नहीं, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो भी है.
Oh, biology. हाँ, so you can also go to the Shri Ram.
PCB हुआ.
हाँ, PCB. PCM, PCB, Commerce, Arts. There are 4 streams. Have you taken any additional subject? Is anybody? Which is PE.
That's not additional.
This is, but I don't consider it additional subject. This is for your fun. This is not the subject. Actually, when I was in the school, there are so many additional subjects just like zoology, botany, and I have also taken. I am from PCM plus B. Physics,
Maths,
chemistry,
science.
maths plus biology also. In our time, maths, commerce is also very famous. Commerce subjects plus maths. So this is also very beneficial, and I asked for the additional subject.
Hard नहीं लगा.
कुछ नहीं होता था. वह मुझे मैथ्स में रोना होता था. मुझे लगता था सिर्फ बायो ही लेनी थी, वो ज़्यादा बेटर था. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव completed my BSc from the Chhatarpur University. Thereafter I am studying B.Ed from the Jabalpur Public College right now, and I am teaching also. But sir liked my way of teaching of English, especially whatever I have learned. So he gave me the 9th and 11th classes. This not happens in other schools. Because if you are teaching 9 to 12, so you have to go for the evaluation also. Evaluation मतलब the board की copy check करना. So they have to. So he did not give me the board classes. He gave me the home board classes. But he said that as I completed, as soon as I completed my B.Ed, he gave me the 10 12 also. This happens. Anything else? Nothing? All doubts are clear? Hey, don't say man, I'm not your man. You can use my name also. You can say Didi as well, but don't say ma'am. Actually, I'm getting bored of hearing ma'am. I hear ma'am all the day. In the school, then in the classes, I hear ma'am all the day. I'm tired of hearing ma'am. And in the WhatsApp, ma'am, what have you done? What we have studied in class? This happens with me, so I'm tired of hearing ma'am. Anything else?
क्या आप फिर से ज्वाइन करना चाहेंगे?
Class.
हाँ, इसके बाद आप जो बात कर रहे थे ना कि
Actually, we are planning to do our master advanced batch is incompleted. So we are planning to do this happens now when all the batchmates will come. So we will plan to come here according to the time. Actually, the 2 of the students are from the board classes, so Mohit and Sanskar. So whenever they were free, we will come here. And one is homemaker, so she also have to arrange her times. She has so many household chores to do. What are you asking at that time?
I am asking that आप उस समय कितने स्कूलों में वो अपना इंटरव्यू दिया था मतलब?
Actually, this is my way. I want to go or not. I got select or not. I just have to give an interview. In this way, my confidence level is built up. So I have given interview among 20-25 schools. Everywhere. Vision, Stemfield, MM International, Narayana. I got selected in Narayana. I got selected in MM International also. But I don't want to leave my Green Valley. But I have to update myself, so I think about it. Actually, I am waiting for the final call from MM. I am selected over there, but I was waiting for the final call. Vision, what happened? I gave interview in the Vision in previous year. At that time, I give interview in the Vision also, in the Green Valley also. So I got selected in Green Valley, and it is near about, and it is near from my college also. So this is suitable for me. And Vision is too far. I have given an interview with Eklavya, everywhere. Where I got chance, I give interview. Not for job. It's to build up my confidence. You have to update yourself.
आपको टीचर ही बनना
Every girl become a teacher by the circumstances only, not by the choices. Actually, it is the safe side. For girls, you just have to work in the morning and then you are free every time. And it is the respectful job for the teachers also. We are having very good respect because of the circumstances.
आपने कोई चीज़ की कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी
कर रही हूँ. I am studying for that also. I am preparing for CTET, वर्ग 2, SSC, CGL, HSL, SSC, MPPSC. I am preparing for that. But I am not giving the papers whenever I found that I am completely ready. I have studied और जब तक मैं पेपर नहीं देने वाली, either 2 years or 3 years, I don't know. I don't want to get examined by myself. Self-respect is also
not important, but self-respect as
self-respect is important. This happens with me. This happened with me. Anything else? आज कोई एब्सेंट है या तुम लोग इतने ही हो?
I think
इतने ही हो?
तनुश्री दीदी आती है पर उनकी जॉब के कारण
हाँ, sir told me that she is MSc in
तो
chemistry.
आपको दीदी को परेशान नहीं करता है स्कूल में बच्चे लोग?
Actually, na, I'm not, as you are seeing me, I'm not a very old teacher. I just have completed my schooling from 8 years ago. So I am with the between of kids every time. So I understand them, what they want to say, what they are feeling, when they want free time, when they want leisure, when they are. So मैं उनको बहुत समझती हूँ ना, तो वो परेशान नहीं करते.
नहीं कभी बंक में जाते हैं
तो वो गलत बात है. तो फिर वो मैंने 1-2 बार तो मैं पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताती, तो वो समझ जाते हैं कि मैम इज़ सपोर्टिव टू अस, तो वी डोंट हैव टू बॉदर हर. सो दे आर वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड दे आर वेरी गुड टू मी.
नहीं आप प्रेजेंट में होती तो आपको पता होगा
ना listen, in which school I am right now na, this is Green Valley and this is residential school matlab they are having hostel also. They are having 3 hostels, boys hostel, girls hostel and the hostel for Gen students. Gyanaitan, what happened?
दीदी आप कौन सी स्कूल में?
Green Valley. Do you know? हाँ?
आपका क्या नाम?
विधि गणेचिया.
इसका छोटा भाई दिल्ली में बिजनेस कर रहा है
You पढ़ रहा है. In what's his name?
सक्षम जाता
Saksham. Which class?
है
It's an MP board. हाँ, actually I'm in CBSE.
CBSE में भी छोटा समर
Summer.
वो ज़्यादा ही छोटा है
Which?
थर्ड फोर्थ
I'm not in the contact with the 3rd, 4th student. I'm in a 9 to 12 class. If you want to ask, you can ask to. If you want to ask from somebody, ask from the 11th student of MP board. They will tell. Like मैं बहुत समझती थी उनको. मैं ना तो टेस्ट लेती हूँ ना मैं. I use the sir way to teach. Na, I don't take so many tests. I don't give so many things to write. I only prefer the knowledge.
ऐसा कभी आपने टेस्ट किया बाय चांस कभी भी बच्चों ने लिखा है
Surprise
खाली
test.
दे दी
Many times.
पास
बाहर बैठो लिखो. और नहीं कर क्या? पास में मैंने सब कुछ किया है. इस बार मेरे क्लास का रिजल्ट 99% बना. सिर्फ एक बच्चा था जो फेल हो गया, तो उसके कारण 100 से रुक गया. इस बार मेरा सब्जेक्ट 99% रिजल्ट दिया है. And sir is saying that you have given the paper before? No, never. सर को लगा कि मैंने पहले पेपर दे दिया. मैंने बोला नहीं सर, आप बच्चों से किसी से भी बुला के पूछ सकते हैं, मैंने सिर्फ उनको पढ़ाया अच्छे से.
बच्चे बताएंगे भी क्यों?
नहीं तो मैंने दिया ही नहीं था. कुछ होते हैं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं होता, बता भी देते हैं. कुछ होते हैं बता भी देते हैं, जो चालू होते हैं ना,
हाँ,
बता भी देते
जिसको आपने पनिशमेंट दी थी।
हैं. मैं सबको पनिशमेंट दे देती थी, पर मैं मारती बचती
नहीं तो आप लोग क्लास के बाहर नहीं कर देते?
बहुत आधे से ज़्यादा अच्छे क्लास में आ रहे थे. Most of the students, those who are not having the good haircut, go outside.
No.
Those who are not studying, huh?
No.
If you are in a school, you have to be like a student. You have to be like a student. ना the feeling आनी चाहिए कि हाँ भाई तुम student. You are not having good uniform, go outside. You are not having your book, go outside. Actually, sir gave the permission us to do the things that if you are not satisfied with the students, take him outside. Call their parents immediately. But I do not call the parents because I also know the parents beat them and they will start hate me. So I do not call the parents. But I try to improve.
दूसरे सर हम मारपीट करते हैं.
Teachers used to do my
सर बहुत
तो जब भी बच्चे कनेक्ट थे दीदी से अच्छे थे क्योंकि दीदी बाहर कर
I said बाहर करो जाओ. I don't
अपना
want to say anything. Just go outside and don't talk there also. While you stand over there, you stand in the gap, stand. In all the corridor, boys are standing like this.
कभी जाते नहीं तो आपको क्या करें?
Principal sir is over there. And all the classes are going on. They can't go anywhere. Green Valley. In the vision, it's Green Valley. Green Valley, it was like there's a corridor and the classes are like in the parallel. In this uniform motion, the class parallel नहीं, यहाँ classes हैं, फिर L shape. The classes in the L shape, so you have to go in that way in front of the principal office. So nobody is having so much himmat to go in front of sir.
हम लोग उनके ऑफिस के सामने से पर वो बात कर लेते
सर का ऑफिस और सामने क्लास है.
Higher section is downstairs, middle section is upstairs.
सर का भी आ गए.
आ गए तो I have the reason ना. Sir said why are they standing up? They are not having book. What will they do in the class? So I send them outside. बोले very good.
सर मारते नहीं.
Send them. हाँ?
सर
प्रिंसिपल
ऐसा करके ऐसा जुड़ा धम.
बहुत छोटे में ऐसा पढ़ता था.
ऐसा करके सीधा बात.
थर्ड सेकंड में तब पढ़ता था.
अभी भी मारते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा.
They used to kick all the students.
प्रिंसिपल
Okay, तो तुम लोगों की क्लास का टाइम क्या है?
7-10 से
हो गया है?
हाँ.
You all have to go somewhere ना? कहाँ जा रहे? College, school?
हाँ, classes.
Which classes?
Art classes.
Art classes. Where are you learning art?
Vision, right down है. Indrakala Institute.
In the color. What type of art you are learning now?
Sketching, painting.
Sketching, painting. Okay. So you are a beginner or a beginner? That's good. Yeah. Anybody else? Can you please ring the bell?